Today I'll be giving you guys some information about the BELKIN Pocket Power 15K, which is about 15,000 mAh. 2 USB connector it has, and you can charge your phone up to 5 times, 7 plus. You can buy it from JB Hi-Fi or Big W's, they have it available as well. So yes, it's a perfect thing to take it around and charge your mobile phone and a tablet. Let's take this off. Take this off. It's a beautiful bag. It's a booklet, and it comes with a charger. That's it. It's 15K. It charges your phone up to 5 times. And there's a button here, and there's a few things comes with that as well. That's just charge you. Some more information here of how to use. It's just you need to press this button before you actually start charging it or start using it. It's all the information is here and in the little booklet. Yeah, that's 5 times. Yeah, I hope that information helps someone who is looking to buy one of these. And so BELKIN is a very good brand, so I'm using that at the moment and I'm very happy with it. You can take it anywhere. Thank you guys.